Okay, so today right here I have a replacement iPhone 6s Plus from Apple Singapore after requesting an express replacement service. Right here I will do a unboxing for you guys, so let's begin. Carefully turn this over. Let's open this right now. There we go. This is a brand new iPhone 6s Plus. Let's take a look. Okay, let's power it up. Okay, sorry for that awkward pause, guys. So Apple decided to ship my replacement with its battery flat, so I have to get it charged first. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at our brand new 6s Plus. Let's set it up first. Okay, let's take a wait. No. Nah. Nope. Okay, there we go. I guess this is still in iOS 9. Let's take a look. Oh hell yeah, it's in iOS 9. Okay, so let's take a look which iOS it's in. Okay, you're not gonna see my serial number. Holy crap, it's in 9.2. I can jailbreak it. Okay, that's all. Hopefully the battery works. As you can see, it's charging very slowly. Probably a very old set. Hopefully this works well. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.